So guys, if you're in full screen right now on your virtual machine, then you're going to click on Control F on your keyboard. And then click on Switch. And then click on Control F again, which will now make our screen like this. You should now be having these options right here. You're going to click on Devices. And now you're going to click on Insert Guest Editions CD Image. I'm now going to go back into scaled mode, so I'm going to click on View and then scaled mode. And now for the second step, you're going to head over to Search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you're going to scroll down and then click on this PC. You should now be seeing this right here, VirtualBox Guest Editions. You're going to double click on this and then click on Yes. And now this will come up. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on Next and then click on Next again and then click on Install. It's now going to install this, wait for this to load. And we're just going to reboot now, so you're going to select this option and then click on Finish. It's now going to restart your VirtualBox and then the problem should be fixed.